welcome to my channel, and here we are going to solve this problem. So you can see the diagram on the screen, and the question says that the sketch in figure 3 shows the elevation of a truncated oblique cone with cutting plane PP. Then here we asked to draw full size the given view plan. That is question A. Question B is plan, and question C is surface development of the cone using TT as the seam. Alright, so we are going to work on this, and then by the time we are done, so we have all the problem solved. But let's talk about the dimensions on the figure. As we can see here, that the diameter of the circular base of the cone is 70 millimeters, and then for us to get this point, that is the apex of the cone, we are to take a measurement of 25 millimeters from this point to this point. Then the height of the cone from the base here is 80 millimeters, and then the cutting plane PP touches this point at a distance of 30 millimeters from this horizontal line, and then the cutting plane is at angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. Looking at it, that we are going to have two videos for this work, so let's go and see how this can be done. So the first thing that we need to do is that we are going to draw a horizontal center line. So we draw horizontal center line. So let me put it here. So horizontal center line, and it goes like this. Okay, and then we are going to draw a short vertical center line. A short vertical center line. So just to have this, okay, as the center line. Then we take the compass, as the diameter of the circular base of the cone is 70, so the radius is 35. Now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to first of all draw it as make it faint, but I'm using my red pen for this. Okay, so I will tell you the reason for that. So we draw a circle. So we draw a circle like this. Okay, then we are going to divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So I'm going to do the division like this. So we might set square at this point. So I will draw this line, and also bringing it to this side, I will draw this line. Then, so turn it set square like this. So I will draw this line, and then I will draw this line, which I believe you know how to do. That is how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts. Alright, so we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts. So now, so let's number the points on the circle. So this point is point 0. So this is point 1. This is point 2. This is 3. And then this is point 4. This is 5. So this is point 6, 7. Here is 8. Then this is 9. So here is 10, and then 11. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we come up a little bit. Okay, so we come up a little bit, then we draw horizontal line. So we draw this horizontal line, and then I'm going to extend the center line to meet the horizontal line. So just to take it up a little bit, so it goes up like this to meet the center line, the horizontal line. So then, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a vertical line from this point 0 to meet the horizontal line. So let's take our time so that we can get the given view drawn. And then, so we also draw a vertical line from this point to meet the horizontal line. Okay, so having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is that we need to extend this horizontal line It's already extended, but it is not really shown. Alright, so we are going to take a measurement of 25 millimeters from this point. So don't forget that the cone is an oblique cone. Okay, so we have this point. So at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So I will draw a vertical line. So I'll just take it like this, as if it's a center line. Then on this line, I will take a measurement of 80 millimeters, which is the height of the cone. So 80 millimeters. So this 80 millimeters. So now I'm going to join the center line to this point. So I believe you can see the point. So the center line, I'm going to join it to this point. So I'm going to draw this also as a center line. That is a thin long chain line. Alright, so we have this, and then so this point also will be joined to the apex. So we join it to the apex. So like this. And then this also, so we join it to the apex so that we can form the whole oblique cone. So this is it. So we have formed the whole oblique cone. It's as simple as I've done it here. Alright, so now, so we still have some things to do. So we have the cutting plane, cutting off part of the cone. So it cut this part, it cut it off. And this is what we have left. So we need to draw the cutting plane, and then the distance between the distance from this point to the base of this horizontal line is 30. So we have to take that 30 millimeters here on this line. So we take 30 millimeters here on this line, okay, on this vertical line. Then we draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line from here. So just draw a horizontal line from here to touch this side of the. Then with our 30 degree set square, so taking the 30 degree set square, and then we set it like this at this point. So now, so I need to make use of my black pen. Okay, I'm using pen just because I want it to be more feasible. That's the reason. Okay, so then we draw the cutting plane like this. Okay, so this is the cutting plane PP. So I write P here, and then so here is P. Then the seam for the development, so we have this point to point C, and this point also is point T, as we have there. So this part has been cut off. So what we need to do now is to make this line a thick line. So make this line a thick line. Then so we also make this line a thick line. Then this base is also to be made a thick line. Alright, so we have drawn the given view. So it's as simple as I've done it here. So we have a video for the given view. So let's meet on the video for the plan. Thank you, and God bless you.